You're looking at my Sony Watchman model FD10a television. But before we start, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon at the top. Now back to the Sony Watchman. The dimensions for this Watchman are roughly 1.5 inches deep, 6 inches tall, and 2.5 inches wide. It was manufactured by Sony of Japan. Sony initially introduced this Watchman in Japan in 1986, then later globally in 1987. The second international version was manufactured in Taiwan. It was categorized as a television receiver. Except for the CRT or picture tube, the device is fully electronic. The video output is black and white or monochrome, and the audio is mono. It is powered by 4 AA alkaline batteries. From reading many blogs about this device, many of the FD10 models were manufactured in Taiwan. I am guessing the A in the model number meant it was for the American market. I say this because there are 3 television broadcast standards on the planet: NTSC, PAL, and SECAM. NTSC, or National Television Standards Committee, is the American standard, and it was developed in 1954. PAL, or Phase Alternating Line, is the United Kingdom and Germany standard. It was developed in 1967. SECAM, or Sequential Color Pattern, is the French standard. It was developed in 1967 also. The US Watchman was manufactured for receiving VHF and UHF transmissions. Mine has an orange scale pointer indicating a channel. Also on the front is a 1-inch loudspeaker. The thing about this TV is that the CRT is designed with the electron gun shooting up to the curved surface of the front of the screen. This is crazy engineering because normally the electron gun shoots from behind the screen. It's also shooting from the bottom up instead of equally from behind. This is revolutionary engineering. From reading several posts about this device, the PAL or British version had a yellow scale pointer to indicate the channel. On the right is a volume dial, tuning dial, and a 3-position switch for power, TV sound only, and TV with sound. There is also a video adjustment screw, however this is for the factory adjustment only. On the rear of the TV is the battery compartment and the VHF-UHF switch. The earphone jack and the built-in telescopic antenna are mounted on the left side. I removed the antenna so I can clip it to a larger metal object so I can receive additional distant stations. I've owned my television since its release in 1987. It has traveled around the world with me, and it was my primary TV when I lived in Korea. It also went with me when I went to Europe and Southwest Asia. Because the Europeans operate on the PAL standard, I could only watch without sound or have sound without video, not both simultaneously. But I was better off than my peers. They had nothing. There you have it, the history of my Sony Watchman FD10a. If you like my videos, please subscribe, click on the bell icon, and thanks for watching.